today's mission we decided to go to Alto de la Nevera in BENICADELL, Sierra de Benicadell. We have north wind, so we choose La Nevera de Benicadell as a takeoff. We were using Mappy, that is a really great app for hiking. I always use this app and I really like it. So the hiking, it was just like 2.5 hours, 5.6 kilometers. It's located at 1,032 meters over sea level, and mostly part of the hike is in the shadow. Technical stop, some water. How do you feel?
I feel well. The good speed. And it's very nice here. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yes.
Nothing is wrong with these hiking signs because the real altitude over sea level is 1,104 meters. That is the highest point of the mountain. Okay, so here we are going to Alto de la Nevera with the sun. Yeah. Conditions were really good. We had soft thermals and light front wind. Stan thinking about his first takeoff with a high and fly wing.
Yeah, that's it. Taking a video.
We reached the summit and we found a fish. Fish is Nevera in Spanish. Because of that, the name of the summit Alto del Nevera or Nevera del Benicadell. We are talking about a snow pit that is in a relatively good condition since it preserves its walls and roof, as well as several openings such as windows and doors. In the Benicadell ice house, as in other similar constructions, snow was accumulated and compacted in winter. It was a very hard work in order to be able to sell the ice formed in spring for the food preservation. The construction probably took place between the 18th and 19th centuries. So we are here, we reached the summit with the sun. We will organize and we go for flying. Okay, here we found the takeoff area. I'm gonna let you know if everything is okay? Let's wait, you take the decision. Up. Beautiful. Keep running. Flying from Benicadell North. The conditions were as we were expecting. We had light wind and soft thermals, and it was a really good one. Your hair was bumping. It was the first time for Stan flying a high and fly wing. How was it?
Yeah, it was very good. Luckily, we had a lot of space on top of the mountain, so I got all the time, so it was very easy.
This is the landing field. Big enough. Buenos días! And see you next time.